Hello, my name is Jacqueline Rosado, and I'll be your host and teacher today. Last time we learned about going to the public health clinic. Today, we'll start with our friend Marta. Let's see what's happening.
Okay. Bye. What a busy day. The phone hasn't stopped ringing. Are you going to lunch?
Yes, I have some errands to run. I'll be back in a half an hour. Jose said he might call. Please get a phone number where I can reach him. I need to talk to him.
You should call Tommy Romero. We're going to go with 887s on the Cadillac. $20 more a piece. It was Marta's idea.
She's right. Cadillac's a heavy car. Hold on. Roberto's Repair. Hello, Rosalba. No, Marta's gone to lunch. Actually, give me a second. Go see if you can catch Marta. She just walked out. Sorry, you just missed her. Can I take a message? The pregnancy tests are positive. Rosalba, hold on. Roberto's Repair? No, this isn't a shoe store. You've got the wrong number. Rosalba? 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 I lost her. Pregnancy tests positive.
Are you serious?
I can't believe this telephone. Roberto's Repair? Jose, she just left. Congratulations. We just heard. You're going to be a father again. Marta wanted me to get a number where you can be reached. Oh, you're in the truck. No number, huh? Well, just call back. I know she wants to talk to you. Goodbye.
This is great news.
You know, I just don't like being the middleman.
Yeah, maybe you're right. I guess we should stay quiet about this. Marta might want some privacy.
We shouldn't say anything.
Is Roberto having a busy day? Yes, he is. Does Marta leave on her lunch break? Yes, she does. Does Roberto take an important message for Marta? Yes, he does. Does Jose call for Marta? Yes, he does. Does Roberto congratulate Jose? Yes, he congratulates Jose on being a father again. Will Jack and Roberto keep quiet about Marta's news? Yes, they will. Let's see what happens next.
Marta, what are you doing?
Well, Roberto didn't have anything for me to do, so I installed the new shocks. I hope you don't mind.
Marta, don't get me wrong, but you really should get out from under there. You shouldn't be working so hard. You shouldn't be getting yourself all dirty. Come on.
I'm a mechanic. Once I walk through those garage doors, I get paid to work hard and get dirty.
I know, but you just shouldn't be under there. Let me finish for you, okay?
Hold on just a minute.
Here, let me give you a hand with that.
Yeah, this must be heavy. Jack and I will take it from here.
But
It's absolutely no problem. We'll just lift it right through here.
Okay. Stop everything.
It's all right. We'll take care of it.
I mean it. Stop it right there.
Let's review. Did Marta install new shocks on the car? Yes, she did. Does Jack tell Marta to work harder? No, he tells her she shouldn't be working so hard. Do Jack and Roberto help Marta with the trash can? Yes, they help her move the can. Does Marta think something strange is happening? Yes, she does. Good work. Let's see what happens next.
All right. What's going on?
What do you mean? We're just trying to help.
No, you're not. Something strange is going on. Roberto, Jack, you both don't want me to work so hard. You're offering too much help when I don't need any help. Something is going on.
Did you talk to Rosalba?
No, I forgot to call her. But what does she have to do with all of this?
When she called, we found out you were...
You're pregnant. She left a message saying that the pregnancy was confirmed.
We were really excited at first, but then we thought maybe we better keep it quiet to protect your privacy.
We wanted to look out for you and make sure you didn't work too hard. We didn't want anything to happen to the baby.
You guys are crazy! I'm not pregnant. Rosalba is.
You mean you're not pregnant?
Oh no, then I shouldn't have congratulated Jose.
He probably thinks you're pregnant.
Did he call again?
I haven't heard from him.
I should go home.
What about the trash can?
Well, you guys offered to take it out. Be my guests.
Let's review. Do Jack and Roberto offer to finish Marta's work for the day? Yes, they do. Do Jack and Roberto think that Marta is pregnant? Yes, they do. Does Marta tell them that she is not pregnant? Yes, she does. Who is pregnant? Rosalba is pregnant. Does Jose think Marta is pregnant? Yes, he does. That was very good. Let's try another exercise. In the following exercise, you will hear someone ask a question. When you hear the answer, repeat it aloud. If you need more time, just press pause.
Do you have all the tools you need?
Yes, I have all the tools I need to do this job right. Does it matter which auto parts I use?
Always use the best available parts. Has it been a busy day?
Today it's been very busy.
Will you take a message if someone calls?
I will take a message. Do you need to take a break?
Yes, I will take a lunch break very soon.
That was wonderful work. Let's see if Gustavo will be successful getting his money.
Yes. Mr. Calderon, my name is James Miller. I'm a lawyer with the same firm as Bill Jackson. His client and I would like to have a word with you.
So, Gustavo, you really got yourself an attorney.
Mr. Calderon, I didn't want to cause any problems. I just want to get my money. The only reason I'm here is because you're trying to cheat me.
Gentlemen, if we're gonna talk, then let's sit down. I was just starting lunch. There's plenty, if you'd like to join me. Gustavo, would you like a little bit?
No, thank you.
I don't have a lot of time, Mr. Calderon. To be honest, I'm a very direct man. I'd like to get started. You can eat if you like.
Fine.
My client worked for you for 3 days. The agreed-upon rate was $75 per day. My client, because of unsafe conditions and inappropriate work expectations, hurt his back and was unable to continue work. You therefore replaced my client with another worker, and you refused to pay him. Is this all correct?
Gustavo was supposed to finish the work that he started. He didn't do that.
Oh, come on, I was hurt.
That's not my problem.
Mr. Calderon, are you aware that my client has rights?
He has no rights. He's undocumented.
You're wrong, but what I hear you saying is that because he's undocumented, you believe that he has no rights.
He doesn't have any papers. Don't you get it?
Mr. Calderon, when did you realize that my client was undocumented?
Are you kidding? I could tell the minute he walked through the door.
In other words, you knew that my client was undocumented when you hired him.
No, what I meant to say...
What did you mean? Do you realize that there are severe fines against employers who knowingly hire undocumented workers?
I didn't know for sure. I was guessing or something.
Mr. Calderon, I'm going to leave you these papers. Any further conversations we have can be done with the judge present.
Enjoy your lunch.
Who goes to visit Mr. Calderon? Gustavo and Mr. Miller go to visit him. Is Mr. Miller a lawyer? Yes. He works at the same law firm with Mr. Jackson. Is Mr. Calderon aware that Gustavo has rights? No, he isn't. Even though Gustavo is undocumented, does he still have rights? Yes, he does. Does Mr. Miller give Mr. Calderon papers to appear in court? Yes, he does. Good work. When we work, it is important to know what our job responsibilities are. Sometimes we need to ask to be sure. After you hear one of our friends ask a question regarding job responsibilities, please repeat the question.
Do I need to fill out this work order form?
Do we need to clean up at the end of the day? Is it necessary to deal with difficult customers?
Is it necessary to know what legal rights my workers have?
If my boss doesn't pay me, can I get help?
That was very well done. Let's move on now and see what's going on with Tanya.
Come in.
Beautiful flowers.
Amir left them for me. Have you seen him?
He left a little while ago. He told me what your aunt said to him. I think he might be quitting so he can keep seeing you.
I can't let him do that. He loves working here. And he's about to get a promotion. What am I going to do, Gina? Hello? No, Mr. Trilling. Unfortunately, we have our own deadlines to meet. We can't help you today. Yes, we have lots and lots of work to do. I'm sorry. Mr. Trilling always waits until the last minute.
Maybe you can try to talk to your aunt about Amir. He worked so hard, it would be so sad if he had to leave just because he went on a date with you.
I'll talk to her.
She's a good person. I'm sure she's just trying to protect you.
I don't need that kind of protection. If I have to quit, I'll quit. I was only going to be here for the summer anyway.
Miss Brown will understand. She's a reasonable woman. I have to get back to work, Tanya.
Thanks for the advice, Gina.
Let me know what happens.
Let's review. Did Gina give flowers to Tanya? No. Amir left flowers for Tanya. Does Tanya like the flowers? Yes, she does. Can Tanya help Mr. Trilling today? No, she can't. Is Tanya worried that Amir might quit his job? Yes, she is. What advice does Gina give to Tanya? Gina tells Tanya she should talk to her aunt about Amir. Good work. Let's move on to the focused listening section of the lesson. You will need a pencil, your worksheet, or a piece of paper. In the following exercise, you will see a scene. Afterwards, you will be asked a question about the scene. Look at your worksheet. You will see 3 choices. You will pick the choice that best describes the scene. Listen carefully to what is said.
Finally, all through.
Nice work. But why did you decide on those shock absorbers?
Well, Ray said they work on most of the cars we service here.
Did he see the size of this car?
No, he didn't.
If he had, I think he would have recommended a stronger shock absorber.
Do you think I should change all those?
Yes.
Here's a question about the scene we just saw. Why did Jack put incorrect shock absorbers on the car? Now look at and listen to the 3 choices. Circle the number of the best answer on your worksheet or write the number on your paper. Number 1, he thought that the customer would like them. Number 2, he didn't care about what he was doing. Number 3, he was following Ray's instructions. The correct answer is number 3. He was following Ray's instructions. Let's try again. Watch and listen to Gustavo and Mr. Calderon.
I worked very hard for you, Mr. Calderon.
Yes, but you didn't complete the work that you started.
I should get paid for the 3 days that I worked.
That's not what the agreement said.
The agreement didn't say anything about me getting hurt. I worked hard and earned 3 days worth of pay.
Here's a question about the scene you just saw. Why does Gustavo feel he should get paid? Now look at and listen to the 3 choices. Circle the number of the best answer on your worksheet or write the number on your paper. Number 1, he should get paid because he earned the money. Number 2, he should get paid because he wants to take Min on a date. Number 3, he should get paid because he needs to buy new clothes. The correct answer is number 1. He should get paid because he earned the money. This time we saw our friends in many new situations. We saw them discover the need to communicate at work. We also saw them fight for their rights as workers. Next time you'll see our friends take on new challenges, including how to be clear about what their needs are in work situation. Thank you for studying with us today. I look forward to seeing you again next time.